Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Soundfreaq Soundrise 2 Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, radio. It's basically like a 3-in-1. This thing's pretty awesome. So first off, we got the user manual. It will basically tell you how to use each of the buttons, each of the controls. So here it is. Here is the speaker. As you can see, you got this nice grill on the front, so you know this thing's gonna produce some serious sound. I really like its portable form factor. It's very small, looks very elegant. So it looks like here you got a volume knob. That feels very nice. This makes it feel very tactile, makes it seem very premium. This is the antenna on the back of this thing, so you want to probably drape this down behind your nightstand, drape it down behind your desk, wherever you're placing this, so it's kind of out of the way. But this will ensure that you get quality sound from the radio. Nature sound. The thing I like about that is that you can play some relaxing sounds if you're just trying to meditate. And the thing I really like about this is you got a USB port, and you've also got a USB-C port. You don't really see the USB-C ports very often on alarm clocks, so that's just gonna really ensure that you're getting a fast charge for your device. Back here, you've got an 18-watt USB port. That is also quite a bit of a punch there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I just held down the setup button on the back, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press enter up here. You can set the year, set the month and day, just using these buttons up here. And then press enter to confirm, set the current time. So as you can see right on my bedside right here, this is just very elegant, fits the theme of my black furniture, and fits my theme of just a modern bedroom overall. That shows it's ready to pair. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it up. So as you can see, we now got the Soundrise 2 connected. Needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound. Now I'm gonna go ahead and switch this to radio. Turn it up.
Tied at 2 against the Cleveland.
So you can see that works very smoothly. Overall, the sound comes in very, very nicely. And the next mode is just aux, so you can plug in your device and get the premium sound quality that way. Let's go ahead and check out nature sound. Some nice birds chirping. And you can just press the button on top to switch to the next track. And then to set the alarm, you got the alarm set button right here. Simply go ahead and press that, it'll flash, and then you can set the time up there using that. I highly recommend this. Looks great on my tabletop, works perfectly, sound quality is great, all the functions are very smooth, and just the interface is super nice and premium. Thanks for watching.